Start pouring them now. Put them up.
Excellent stuff, as always.
Lewandowski, Coutinho's a terrific signing. They're going to create, they're going to score goals today, as I agree with.
It is Bayern Munich who kick things off, attacking from right to left.
You need to be close in numbers behind the ball, and Timo Horn has to have the day of his life.
The player at Liverpool, but it's far central today. Gnabry, the run forward, and that one.
Get back position, he comes in, he has space, he drives this across. Limited amount of chances.
Kimmich, Lewandowski making the run for the forward. Robert Lewandowski! That one takes a deflection. It's still gone through, and Bayern had the perfect start. And that didn't take too long, did it? Numbers forward here. Laporte played it. Remember, if you're an LA Galaxy team is not watching this, he won't be happy. So it's Gnabry driving forward. Still Gnabry.
Tries to get that half a yard. Well defended in the
whipped in delivery. Lewandowski was challenging again. Coutinho at the edge of the penalty area. Right foot from that left. Also looking for the big switch to the far side. Lewandowski trying to.
But Coutinho makes runs from midfield, can go out wide.
Gnabry, Perisic. The offside flag belatedly going up.
Every time the wide player has it, they're bombing on, trying to create the.
Who's inside, gets it back, and he's away inside the area. In Perisic, little flick back for Lewandowski. And Perisic once again was off.
It is again, he just comes in a bit over the top and catches Killer.
Tolisso. Perisic trying to come inside, goes down. And the ref
is again, a good little touch here to just get through. Just
will be Philippe Coutinho. It is over the wall, and it's off the woodwork. Gnabry keeps it alive after the touch from Lewandowski. There's his teammate. Has it now. Little chip towards the far post. And Cologne trying to slip. Back for Ahisabwe. Long searching cross. They're coming up here on the set piece, and the reason
the moments he's unfortunate to be offside. They did catch him. Just
here's Perisic driving forward, goes beyond, but now still Perisic.
That was his pace and power. Try to get this, try to hit this.
When it comes up on this set piece, going to be overhit again. This one more central and whipped in the delivery. Perisic with the header. That
difficult, Dave.
Shqiri trying to break into the box. Boateng going back. Tried to play that one early. Did get it in behind, but nobody really attacking. Gnabry, a little bit of space for him. Still Gnabry trying to come inside. And again deflected towards the foot. Kynes, Drexler making the run around him. Orient Kynes gets the cross in. Wave play on. Schindler. Cordoba a little bit of space and strong chance.
Not sure what he's complaining about.
In the Zweite Liga. Can they make a count at the Allianz Arena? Whipped in delivery.
And here it is again. You see his two-hand.
Kimmich turning into a little bit of pressure. And again the referee's whistle is...
An elbow wasn't too bad.
Yep. Nice ball out wide. Perisic coming in and his right foot goes for...
Ball in the gap. He's so creative. He
makes its way out for Ivan Perisic. Perisic tries to get his cross in.
Again, it's an early ball in behind. So difficult. Almost.
Schindler and Ahisabwe continuing up against Boateng. Cordoba. Rogo Cordoba to his own.
Cordoba finally gets some space, finally finds a moment. You look like...
Find Schindler. Schindler with the chance to cross, gets his delivery in. Cordoba trying to turn. Defended by Lewandowski. Ahisabwe right back in Cordoba. Modeste on the bench, the man he was brought in to replace. Whipped in delivery.
But obviously it's much different here.
Kynes from distance. Neuer spilled that one. And Kimmich is on hand to clear the danger.
Neuer fortunate there. Kynes hits it well, but Neuer will be disappointed.
That one over here towards the far post. Drexler clapping run. Perisic. And it's going to fall here for Coutinho. A bit of space to attack the other way. Cordoba coming wide. Boateng trying to get back in. Cordoba. Guys in the studio think of this first half performance from Bayern. They are in front. And they might get
a good run from outside in.
Shqiri. This one looked like it came off. Whistle allows play to continue. Continue in behind. Lewandowski around Timo Horn. Still Lewandowski. That one just over. He's Bundesliga first half action. Approach play here. Schindler trying to get away from Perisic. He does. Gets his cross.
An opportunity here for Schindler. Quick movement here.
Plays that ball to the far side. Perisic got a space. Back for Gnabry. Exposed that quickly on the turn of Bernat. Interesting. Niko Kovac. Eintracht Frankfurt, another side I like to cross the ball.
And here's Boateng from distance with his left. Just snatches it.
Goal scorer Jerome Boateng. You can see why. This one whipped in. The header on goal. Into the corner. It's Robert Lewandowski again. He is absolutely clinical. Not at their best, but they find themselves 2-0 up. Heinz coming in on his right foot, trying to go for goal, that one. Again, it's whipped in, and Horn gets a hand to it. Still not for Cologne. Bayern have not conceded a goal in the second half yet this season. Free kick one.
You can see the obvious hand, the arm up in his face, but he does.
Goal chip in behind, looking for Schindler again. 14 points-wise. That year they won the league by 10. Gnabry in behind, and that one blast.
Just lets him down a little bit.
Well played in behind here. Chance for Philippe Coutinho. Goes down under the challenge from behind. Penalty given. Cologne just caught napping defensively, and Coutinho was about to pull the trigger. He's pulled down, and it's going to be a red card as well here. Philippe Coutinho from the penalty spot against Timo Horn. Sets him the wrong way, and that will do it for Bayern. 3-0 up, a man up, and Coutinho's off the mark. By the area. Coutinho, same result. This one even more clinical. What a nerve-wracking moment for Coutinho, but he made no mistake.
Yeah, he held his nerve. It's always difficult. You go in, you score the penalty, you have to take another one. Keeper kind of knows where you're going.
Pep Guardiola was the manager. Perisic driving forward, trying to get that cross in.
And you see Lewandowski so smart, looking for that far post.
It's a short corner routine. Going from distance, that one's off the woodwork. Jig and get the shape back again as we take a look at that.
This with pace and power.
Spanish Youth International, highly rated, highly regarded. Perisic, Horn.
He lunges at the ball. He has no chance, really.
Is whipped in, and Neuer gets a hand to it.
It's whipped in, and Neuer,
It's going to fall towards that far post, still in play. Neuer trying to turn, still has it. Cordoba!
himself here, and it falls to Cordoba, and he just
yet. Cordoba again makes a run across the centre back, pulls it back to the edge of the area. Skiri
alone.
Great coming the other way. Lewandowski back for Coutinho. Lewandowski from distance now takes a deflection.
Was in the world.
Coutinho's on immediately to take the set piece. Difficult for him. Ball out wide by Coutinho. Perisic! Finish that is from the Croatian. Coutinho again involved, and Perisic dispatches it into the bottom corner. Hector right into the wall. Collins, a lovely ball in behind.
Way on, and he continues his run, just can't seem to get the inflection.
Tolisso, Timo Horn with the save. They're just Bayern Munich. I was going to say, Jovan, if this scoreline, young midfielder. Hector stays forward. Corona on the Cousins. Back on his left foot for being a Bayern player this season. Another ref flashes through. Perisic.